Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to use Conversation View in Gmail. It's really quick and simple and the process is really straightforward. So let's jump right in. First, open your Gmail app. Here on the top left corner, you will see three lines. Tap on that and scroll down all the way to the bottom. Here, at the very bottom, you will see Settings and Help and Feedback. Click on Settings. Go to General Settings, and here you will see Conversation View as the fourth option. If it's not enabled, simply tap on it and Conversation View will be enabled. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.